Hello and marhaba, I'm Hania and welcome to my channel. Here in the Teal Tadjine, I try to make North African cooking approachable and delicious. So if you're interested in learning new North African recipes, stay tuned for today's video. Here in North Africa, we're able to enjoy the riches of the sea all year round. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the delicious stuffed calamari recipe that is a North African, North Algerian classic. All the ingredients that you'll need are listed up on the screen as well as in the description box below. Let's begin by making the filling for our calamar. So we're going to add in the grated onion. So I'm going to use about 1/4 of the grated onion. And then also I'm going to add in the tentacles. Try to remove as much as the liquid as you can possibly. I'm going to add in the rice. So this is pre-cooked rice that I'm using. I'm using basmati. You can use any type of rice that you like. I'm also going to be adding in my chopped herbs. So with parsley and coriander, also called Teal. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. And also hanout spice. So a little bit of black pepper, as well as some turmeric or alternatively saffron for some color. So just give it a little squeeze of lemon, as much as you like. If you like it lemony, just add more. And finally, just add some lemon zest. And now we just want to mix this all together. So now all we're going to do is take our calamari that we've cleaned and stuff it. Once we've stuffed it, just secure it with a toothpick, like so. So here we have our stuffed calamari all ready for us to cook. And now we're going to saute our onions in some oil. I like to use olive oil, but you can use a regular vegetable oil such as sunflower oil if you prefer. Add in the garlic, 1 spoon of zirsa, red pepper paste, 2 large spoons of tomato paste, bay leaves, fresh thyme, now I'm just going to add in my water, as well as all my calamari. A little bit of salt, we'll add salt later on as well. Give it a good mix and allow that to cook on a low heat with the lid on. So now as you can see, our sauce has nicely reduced and our calamari is cooked. Now we just add in our peas and allow that to cook. Also going to add in my herbs. I'm going to reserve some for the end as well. So here we have our stuffed calamari all ready for us to cook. Add in the garlic, 1 spoon of zirsa, red pepper paste, 2 large spoons of tomato paste, bay leaves, fresh thyme, now I'm just going to add in my water, as well as all my calamari. A little bit of salt, we'll add salt later on as well. Give it a good mix and allow that to cook on a low heat with the lid on. So now as you can see, our sauce has nicely reduced and our calamari is cooked. Now we just add in our peas and allow that to cook. Also going to add in my herbs. I'm going to reserve some for the end as well. Here you can see that our stuffed calamari are prepared. We're at the table ready to eat. I like to serve this with just some steamed rice, as you can see here, and also some lemon on the side. It would go really nicely with some fried potatoes as well and some crusty bread. I just cut a few open, as you can see here, for a nice little presentation. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like and also share with a friend. And if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to also hit that subscribe button. Until next time, peace be upon you and see you in the next video.